So once again I have come in front of this camera so that I can improve my language. And first of all, I want to tell one thing, that whoever is watching this video, I am going to make lots of mistakes, so please don't abuse me, because I am depend of you all, because you can, by listening, you can correct me, and that's why I am recording my voice. So the story which I am going to narrate now, title is Lazy Harya. So now I will recite it. Please listen me carefully where I am making mistake, and please tell me on comment box. This is my request, all of you whoever is watching this video. One day a king and lazy man Harya, once a king and lazy person Harya were good friends. One morning the king asked to Harya, why don't you do work? Why don't you do work to earn some money? At this Harya replied, because no, no one gives me job that I don't, I never complete work on time. This thing my enemy was told. At this the king said to Harya, then go to my treasury and take as much as wealth you can till sunset. At this Harya felt very happy and rushed toward his home. After reaching home, Harya informed her wife about this thing what the king has told him. Her wife also became very happy and said, go immediately and get some diamonds and gems from the treasury of king, because he had gave you opportunity and you must not be lose it. But at this Harya replied to her wife, no, now I won't go to the treasury. First I will have lunch. But when Harya completed her lunch, after that he said to her wife, no, I will take a rest. And her wife said, no, don't take a rest. But Harya persisted. But what happened? 2 hours later, Harya waked up, picked a bag and went towards the treasury. On the way, Harya felt hot and he made a decision, I should take a rest. And he took a rest for an hour. And when he woke up, showing a magician fun, and he stopped there for 1 hour. And by the time Harya reached the gate of treasury, it has been shut thoroughly. And looking the gate shut, Arya became upset and he had to come back home empty hand. So this is how this story ends. So why did it happen with Arya? Because he doesn't know the value of time. If he had know the value of time, this accident would not happen with Arya. So moral of the story is know the value of time. If 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 a human don't value his time, he will never succeed in his life. Yeah, so now I will talk about some words which has come in this story, and that is get. In spite of say what we can say bring, it also bring also carry same meaning. And another word I have used in this story while narrating to myself is earn. Yeah, in place of earn, I could say, or you could say, anyone could say make money. Make money, it is a collocation. And another word I have used it, I forgot so soon. Yeah, that is rich. In spite of saying rich, we can also say get. It is very formal. Yeah, so I apologize to all of you because I have made a mistake too much in this story while speaking. And please tell me, whoever is watching this video, where I have made mistake and how I should speak those sentences, and which word I should pronunciation correctly. Thank you for watching this video.